everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you how to make a latte. And a latte is a really simple drink. It's just espresso combined with milk, and for today we'll be using whole milk, and we'll also be making a 12-ounce latte. And if you're going to try to do any kind of latte art, we recommend using a cup that looks something like this. Anything that's rounded and represents a bowl will be best. So we'll start by pouring our milk into the pitcher up until the spout begins. This will be about 8 ounces of milk. And once we steam it, that'll give us about another 2 ounces plus the 2 ounces of espresso. That'll be a 12-ounce latte. And we'll be using our Mount Baker espresso blend. Espresso blends typically pair really well with milk, so that's what we'll be using. And we'll start by weighing out 18 grams of the coffee beans. After that, go ahead and toss the beans into the hopper and then we'll grind them. As far as grind size goes, I usually start around 4 or 5 and then move from there. If you want a more detailed video on how to pull shots, I'll leave a link down below. And remember, when you're tamping your beans, you want an even and uniform pressure so you get a nice coffee puck like this. Let's go ahead and move on to steaming the milk. Remember that you want your wand tilted slightly either up or down, and you want it just barely submerged, and you want it to make a sound almost like it's ripping paper, so a little something like this. And once the milk just starts to feel warm, submerge the wand deeper into the milk. And if you want a more detailed video on how to steam milk, I'll leave a link down below for you. And because we're using a stainless steel pitcher, it retains heat really well. So once it's too hot for you to touch it, go ahead and turn your wand off. And then just purge the wand and clean it off, and the milk is ready to go. So the next thing we're gonna have to do is pull our espresso, and since we're making a double shot espresso, we'll press on the double cup button and that'll automatically dispense a double shot for us. And the last thing for us to do is to combine the espresso with the milk. So just tap your pitcher on the counter a couple times, twirl the milk around, and then it's time to pour. If you do want to try doing latte art, I suggest starting high and then go low when you're ready to pour the latte art, and then just kind of swipe through at the end, and that is it. Hope this was helpful.